Suicidal tendencies that creep up in my coffin. I do what I do, no talking. Can't you see the reaper? You go crazy, you go dumb. I'm gonna let my chopper drown.
Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will show you how to use Windows 7 Teams in 2021. Simply go to this link that I will put into the video description, copy and paste into your web browser. Copy and paste. You will go to Microsoft support page, desktop Teams for Windows 7. There are a lot of teams, for example, animals, art, automotive, games. If you want to download a team, simply click on the team. For example, let's download the Ducati team. Should be an automotive Ducati team. Click. It will download a .team pack file. Some teams won't be available because they have been discontinued by the manufacturer. For example, the Infinity team. It isn't available because it was only available during that time that those Infinity models were the new cars in the lineup. After those cars has been discontinued, this team hasn't been available anymore. So if you want to apply the teams, simply go into your download folder, double click the team, and it will apply the team. After you double click once, it will go into the special my teams folder. There is here Ducati 1, Forza Motorsport. There are some video games, for example Fable, RPG made for Xbox consoles, Naruto if you like anime, or my favorite, Halo Reach. Halo, a very popular game made by Microsoft Studios. And now you know how to use Windows 7 Teams in 2021. See you later, guys.